Mr. Aoun, Member of Parliament, Ms. Khater, representative of the Ministry of Environment, Mr. Ramadan, representative of the Ministry of Public Transport, dear Assad Al, dear mayors, ladies and gentlemen, I am very pleased to be here today with you, carrying the framework of this EU-funded BIOCONNECT project. I've been recently to Rasselmessen, Kaifun, and 2 days ago in the Schuf, where I could witness how the BIOCONNECT project empowers local communities to take the ownership of their development and build a bright future. And I will insist on 2 words. We empower local communities and we need to build ownership. This is indeed one of our main project objectives. The President of the EU today reflects our commitment to support Lebanon in tackling the key environmental challenges, in particular on forest management, biodiversity conservation, and sustainable agriculture, all of which are essential not only for the environmental protection, but also for creating the much-needed job opportunities and to boost local livelihoods. The proposal to establish this Lebanon's first national park in the Upper Med region is a very important initiative. It's a collective effort. I think you are here today witnessing the fact that you are all working and participating in that effort. This brings 17 municipalities together, and it's really an inspiring commitment to protect one of the country's most vital ecological areas. At the same time, we cannot ignore the many challenges that this valley is facing, that Lebanon is facing. We have water pollution from industrial waste, we have untreated sewage that threaten both public health and the ecosystems. There is also, unfortunately, some uncontrolled urban developments which rapidly degrades the natural habitats, while more deforestation would, as we know, lead to worsen soil erosion and increase flood risks. These are not small challenges, but they are not impossible to overcome. And we, from the EU, believe that if we tackle these environmental challenges through an inclusive and community-led approach, then we will reach a good solution. I was very pleased to hear this morning the mayor mentioning the important work of the farmer cooperatives. Indeed, you are part of the solution, as many of you will hear today. Sustainable land use planning and reforestation are all possible with coordination and the overall management of the Ministry of Environment. We work very closely with the Ministry in Beirut and very close to see that we can be together outside the capital city to collectively witness the importance of such action today. This action also creates real and tangible benefits. As I said before, we want to create jobs, we want to create healthier communities, we want to create sustainability. Because as I keep on saying, the events I'm going through, the EU is here today, we are very proud and happy to be here. But as you know, the EU is not supposed to be here forever. And we know that in Lebanon and the countries we work with, they are extremely powerful people, powerful bright ideas, powerful brains, powerful hearts. And we are quite sure that by working day and day on these sustainability factors, at some point this is the right approach that we have to continue working on. As I said before, I will insist again, the key role of the local government has to be really underlined. And here, we are very pleased to meet here today the local actors. We also insist on that point when we discuss with the government in Beirut. And here, but also in the other countries in the world, in particular in Europe, you are part of the solution and you are a very important game player. To conclude, of course, we are not there, it's a starting point, but we are trustful that this will materialize. We collectively rely again on the Lebanese government to show the way, and I think the new minister, who met the ambassador, was quite keen on indeed accompanying these efforts during the mandate. We also accompany the ministry in implementing very important structural reform, waste management, preventing pollution, addressing conservation, and even in the time the land is short, we want, at least on the EU side, to accompany this government in achieving very short-term and significant results. I would like to say to conclude that here, like in Europe, I think our future generation are looking at us, looking at what we're going to do, and let's try not to disappoint them. So let's boost the Himas and the natural reserves extensions. That the next event, which today is called one Hima at a time, can be called many Himas at the same time. So it's a long link with natural reserves and Himas, and soon natural parks. Thank you very much.